Ever wondered what makes us who we are, or how we inherit certain traits from our parents? The answer lies in a molecule that is the very essence of life: DNA. DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is an unseen architect of life, quietly working behind the scenes in every cell of every living organism. It's a blueprint, a set of instructions that dictates everything from your eye color to your susceptibility to certain diseases. Imagine a vast library with billions of books, each one containing a unique story. That's what DNA is like, a vast library of information that details the story of life itself. It carries the genetic information from one generation to the next, ensuring the continuity of life. So the next question is, how did we come to understand this complex molecule? Let's dive into the history. Our journey begins in the 19th century, with the pioneering work of scientists like Friedrich Miescher. As we travel back in time, we land in the year of 1869. It was a period of profound discovery, and a Swiss physician named Friedrich Miescher was at the heart of it. Miescher was examining pus from surgical bandages when he stumbled upon a substance he called nuclein. Little did he know this nuclein would later be known as deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, the genetic blueprint of life. Fast forward to the early 20th century, we meet Phoebus Levene, a biochemist who made significant strides in understanding DNA. Levene was the first to identify the components of a nucleotide and their precise arrangement in the nucleic acid chain. He revealed that a nucleotide was composed of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. However, the true significance of his work was not fully appreciated at the time, as he believed the structure of DNA to be too simple to carry genetic information. The baton was then passed to Oswald Avery in the 1940s. Avery and his team were investigating the transformation principle, a phenomenon where one strain of bacteria appeared to change into another. Through a series of meticulous experiments, Avery showed that DNA was the molecule responsible for this transformation. His work was a turning point, demonstrating that DNA, not proteins, was the genetic material. These pioneering scientists laid the groundwork for the monumental discovery that was soon to come. Each of their contributions was a piece of the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the complex and beautiful structure of DNA. The stage was set for a new era of exploration and discovery in the field of molecular biology. But it wasn't until 1953 that the true nature of DNA was revealed. The double helix, the twisted ladder, the blueprint of life. It was about to make its grand entrance onto the stage of scientific discovery, forever changing our understanding of life itself. Enter James Watson and Francis Crick, the duo who unveiled the structure of DNA. These two determined minds embarked on a quest, catapulting themselves into the annals of scientific history. Watson, a brash young American, and Crick, a brilliant English physicist, were drawn together by a shared fascination with the secrets of life. Their collaboration was not an easy one, but it was fueled by relentless curiosity and mutual respect. They dove headfirst into the world of biochemistry, with its intricate molecules and complex interactions. The work of Watson and Crick was nothing short of groundbreaking. They discovered that DNA, the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms, had a double helix structure. Picture a twisted ladder, with the rungs representing the bases that carry genetic information. This structure was an absolute revelation. It explained how DNA could replicate itself and how it could carry the genetic code from one generation to the next. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of genetics and heredity. It illuminated the fundamental process by which organisms inherit traits from their parents. It revealed how the information for all the characteristics of life, from the color of your eyes to your susceptibility to certain diseases, is stored within the molecular structure of DNA. Watson and Crick's work also provided a framework for understanding genetic mutations and how they can lead to disease. This insight has become the cornerstone of modern medicine, paving the way for advances in everything from cancer treatments to gene therapy. The unveiling of the double helix was not just a triumph of scientific discovery, it was a beacon of hope. It offered a glimpse into the immense potential of human understanding, the power of collaboration, and the sheer beauty of the natural world. And with this discovery, a new era of science was born. This era has been marked by a relentless pursuit of knowledge, an insatiable curiosity about the world around us, and an unwavering belief in the power of science to change lives for the better. So, here's to Watson and Crick, and here's to the double helix, the beautiful and complex blueprint of life. With the structure of DNA in our grasp, the implications were staggering. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure opened up a new world of possibilities, forever altering fields such as medicine, agriculture, and forensic science. In medicine, DNA has been instrumental in the development of personalized treatments, moving us away from a one-size-fits-all approach. By understanding an individual's genetic makeup, doctors can now tailor treatments to the patient, increasing their effectiveness and reducing potential side effects. Similarly, in agriculture, DNA has enabled the development of genetically modified crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and extreme weather conditions. This has helped to increase crop yields, promoting food security and sustainability. In the realm of forensic science, DNA profiling has revolutionized criminal investigations. It has provided a powerful tool for identifying suspects and exonerating the innocent. However, the discovery of DNA has not been without its controversies. It has sparked heated debates over the ethical implications of genetic manipulation. Questions have been raised about the right to alter the genetic makeup of future generations and the potential for genetic discrimination. Moreover, the ability to access and interpret our genetic information has raised concerns about privacy. Who owns our genetic data? Who has the right to access it? These are questions that continue to challenge us as we navigate the brave new world of genetics. Indeed, the discovery of DNA has shaped our world in ways we could have never imagined. As we stand on the shoulders of giants, we continue to unravel the mysteries of life. The legacy of understanding DNA is profound, continually inspiring a new generation of scientists and innovators. This knowledge fuels advancements, challenges norms, and pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's a constant reminder of our potential to decode the complexity of life. Indeed, the discovery of DNA is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, forever shaping our understanding of life itself.